Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet software that is used to perform mathematical calculations. It has built-in features and tools like formula, functions, and data analysis, which make working with data easy. Chart is one such feature of Excel that shows data visually. So today we are going to learn about charts in Excel. So let's start. First of all, you have to create a worksheet like this, as I have already created one. Now you have to select the text for which you want to create the chart. Select the chart. Select the text like this with the help of your mouse. Now go to Insert tab. Once you will click on Insert tab, in the ribbon you will find all these options. Now in this ribbon, in the charts group, you will find different types of chart like column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and some other charts also. So first of all, I am going to tell you how can you insert column chart. So for that, choose this option, column. It will give you a list of different types of column charts like 2D column chart is there, 3D column, cylinder, cone, pyramid, etc. So firstly we are going to make 2D column chart. This is clustered column chart which we are going to insert now. So we will click on this option, clustered column. As you can see on the MS Excel screen that here one chart it has been inserted by the Microsoft Excel. So in this way you can insert a clustered column chart in your worksheet. Now just look at the design tab. See, once you will insert a chart like this in your worksheet, you will see these three tabs in the screen: design, layout, and format tab. Firstly, I am telling you how can you change the chart styles. Look at the screen. These are some chart styles. Whichever the chart style you want, you just click on it and see the change here in the chart area. So in this way you can change the chart styles. Now I am going to tell you how can you change the chart type. Look at this ribbon, there is one option, change chart type. Once you will click on it, this type of dialog box it will appear on the screen. This is change chart type. In the left hand side pane you will find different types of chart. So from here also you can change the chart type and you can insert that chart which is desired by you. Suppose now you want to draw a line chart. So select line. After that click on OK button. So see, is there any change on the screen? Yes. Now on the computer we can see line chart. Same way we have to change the another chart types like pie chart. If you want to make, select pie chart from here and then click on OK button. So in this way you can insert pie chart in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. In the same way, if you want to insert bar chart, select the bar chart from the chart type and now click on OK button. So in this way, you can change the different chart types on your worksheet. So these different charts you have learned today. Today you have learned about column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. And I hope you have seen all the steps properly for inserting the charts in Microsoft Excel. So students, in this way, by this convenient method of making chart, it will show the data in a pictorial form, and these charts can be used for comparison and analysis of growth, relationship and trends between the values on a range. So in this way you can make charts in the Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now only this much for today, only this much. Thank you so much.